Into this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account without facing the Google verifying your phone number problem, without facing it. In this sense, I'm trying to say that you're going to create yourself a Google account without a phone number. So just get to sit down, watch the entire process of how this is done. So tap onto the settings application, then you're going to scroll down until when you see accounts and backup. Tap manage accounts, scroll all the way down and tap on add account, then tap on Google. Remember, we are creating a Google account without a phone number or without facing the other problem of having to verify a phone number that you haven't even put in the system. So tap on create account, personal use, don't forget that. Then put in a random name like your name. So I'm gonna put in a random name. Let's say Frank Big. Next. So we are creating ourselves a Google account without a what? Without a phone number. Then 005 mail. Then over here we have to put in a password. So big what? We're gonna go for what? Big what? We're gonna go for this one. Tap next and then choose the email address, then tap next. Then over here get to put in the password to your Google account. So over here onto the next screen, after doing putting in your password, then tap next. So over here you then get to tap accept, agree. So as you see now, a Google account is being created. So that's how you can create yourself a Google account without facing the other problem of having to verify a phone number that you haven't even registered with Google. So that's how basically this is done. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time.